Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Palak Arora and this will be my very first long format YouTube video. Okay, so here I'll be answering to the questions you guys have asked me on my Insta story, like related to me. Basically, it is an introduction type of video which will make you familiar with me and you'll get to know me better. So my main motive for this video is to introduce myself in a not a straightforward paragraph and like a scripted format, but through question answer type of thing. Like I hope you get it. So let's start with the first question. Okay, so the very first question is what do I do? So I'm a BJMC student at DJ's IPU in the main campus itself, and like I'm in my fourth semester, second year. I'm like almost, it will be ending very soon. Like my midsems are almost here, and then the end sems, and like then I'm just over with the semester two. Moving on to the next question. Where are you from? I'm from Delhi, India, and I'm born in Delhi. I have grown and brought up in Delhi only, so I'm a true Delhiite. You will be like seeing काफ़ी Delhi की vlogs, Delhi की चीज़ें in my video surely. And आगे next question is your age. So currently I'm 19, but by next month I'll turn 20, like this April. Okay, tell us about your college life. To be honest, my college life is really dead. We don't, aren't able to attend the class regularly. First of all, the distance. I live very far from my college. Like it takes me around 1.5 hours to reach college. So it is barely possible कि मैं बहुत रेगुलर हो पाऊँ. एंड वन थिंग विच इज़ वेरी बेनिफिशियल फॉर मी कि मैं एक गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में हूँ, तो लाइक बहुत लीनियंट है चीज़ें. लाइक वी डोंट हैव अ स्ट्रिक्ट रूल ऑफ 75% अटेंडेंस. लाइक देयर इज़ अ सेइंग कि आपको लानी है 75% अटेंडेंस, बट आर डीन इज़ सुपर चिल. सो इट इज़ मैनेजेबल कि मैं ना भी आऊँ कॉलेज, तो लाइक दे अलाउ मी टू गिव एग्जाम्स एंड स्टाफ. The next question is who all live with you. So I live with my parents, grandparents, and my younger sister. So yeah, next question is what will be your channel be about? So basically it will be everything about my life, like basically a lifestyle channel, nothing specific to one thing. Like I have not decided my niche yet, but yeah, for beginning I'll try to shoot and like upload everything. I document everything that I like, the way I edit my stuff, and that all in like a compiled form for you all. It will include everything about me, myself, my life, and it will basically be a lifestyle daily vlog, a weekly vlog mostly channel. So yeah, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फेवरेट पार्ट फॉर योर डे. बाय द वे मैंने यहाँ नोट पैड में क्वेश्चंस लिख रखे हैं, तो मैं बार बार इसीलिए वहाँ थोड़ा देख रही हूँ. सो लाइक जस्ट बेयर विद मी. योर फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ द डे. ओके, माई फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ द डे विल बी जब मैं अपनी ग्रैंड मदर एंड अपनी मदर के साथ बैठ के लाइक पूरे डे की लाइक गॉसिप करूँ, बातें करूँ. एंड नॉट मोर ओवर गॉसिप, बट या मोस्टली माई ग्रैंड मदर लाइक्स टू इनहेरिट गुड वैल्यूज़, बीइंग इट स्पिरिचुअल, बीइंग इट उनके पास की मिस्टेक्स, लर्निंग की कुछ चीज़ें शी लाइक्स टू पोर इन मी, ताकि आई कैन बी अ बेटर पर्सन एंड लाइक इट कुड हेल्प मी इन माई लाइफ सम हाउ. Okay, so the next question is will it be a fashion or beauty video channel? So no, not exactly a fashion beauty sort of channel, because I'm not into that much fashion or beauty. Like I barely do makeup and stuff, and for beauty or for fashion I can't categorize me as a fashion YouTuber or fashion influencer or kind of person. So I'm not a right person to start those kind of things. Yes. Okay, how do you overcome anger? I am very bad at controlling my anger. मेरी तो कॉलेज में बहुत बार लड़ाई हुई है ओवर दिस थिंग, एंड सीधा थप्पड़ ही मार दिया था. लाइक आई बिलीव कि तूने बदतमीजी करी तो तू थप्पड़ आएगा यार, तू अब मैं तुझे छोड़ूंगी नहीं. मतलब मैं शांत रहने वालों में से बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ, बट आई ट्राई कि मैं उस जगह से हट जाऊँ या फिर मैं इग्नोर करूँ चीज़ें एज मच एज़ पॉसिबल. क्योंकि अगर मेरे को चीज़ें ज़्यादा हिट करने लग जाती हैं, इफेक्ट करने लग जाती हैं, तो मैं कुछ भी फेंक दूँगी, मार दूँगी, लाइक कुछ भी बोल दूँगी, तो वो थोड़ा ब्लंडर क्रिएट कर देता है. Okay, so lastly, your favorite time pass. So basically, I love going out, cafe hopping, random cafe dates, solo dates with my girl besties, anyone like my mom, even in fact my sibling. And yeah, I like to be regular at. Yeah, so hopefully तो नहीं, I must and I wish कि I could post videos regarding my gym, like not something related to fitness, but regarding कि what I do at gym or anything that could like help anyone watching this. And I will hopefully vlog एक दिन एटलीस्ट जो मैं सबसे बेस्ट करती हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है द बेस्ट बॉडी पार्ट आई कुड हिट विद करेक्ट posture and forms. I'll surely try to record and like create a gym vlog too. Okay, so lastly, the last question for this video, and we shall come up with such videos surely. What was your family reaction over starting YouTube? My grandma, my mother, my grandfather, my little sister, in fact few of my relatives are aware that I do a YouTube channel. I do upload short. This is not my very first video, of course a very first video for long format series, but yeah, I have shared multiple shorts, YouTube shorts of mine to them. And they are really supportive. My grandma is like really happy about all this. Like I have started something new. In fact, my grandmother, they do watch my videos regularly. Like they do likes, send it further, comment. So in that way, they are super chill and super supportive. But only problem for me is there that my father is not aware of all this, and I think I can't even reveal this in front of him until I could like show any result or stabilize benefit or a kind of stabilize income, or you could say stabilize output of YouTube or of me making such videos at this platform, because I guess he doesn't understand all this much and he doesn't like कि आप तुम ये सब upload करो and stuff. But I hope eventually he would understand me, my this hobby and stuff, and he would not be that angry जो वो अभी हो सकते हैं, and he would understand things कि it is not a wrong thing to do, but like to record your life, to document your life, and like to showcase it over media. So yeah, I'm very nervous and dicey to upfrontly tell him कि I over YouTube channel I upload things over there. I don't know what will be his reaction, but if you guys will support me, I shall not get demotivated, and all I need is your all support. And like I guess I should end this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Do subscribe, do share your thoughts नीचे वीडियो के कि और कैसा कंटेंट you would like to see and stuff. Till then, bye bye. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel.